The 2010 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-theft security system, cruise control, rear defroster, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, side airbag, power door locks, tachometer, rear wiper, 4-piece floor mat set. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.